Hi, my name is Jacob Burleson. It's my first year of college. I graduated from Sherman. My major is Associates in Art Teaching. I chose college students and the lack of motivation because I feel like that's probably my biggest struggle. The problem is the lack of motivation in college students' life can be problematic. When I say problematic, I mean they could stray away from their main goal in life, and that's, could have family or have a really good job or things like that, whatever you want in life. With the lack of motivation, you're not going to get that. Developing through school, so teens, they develop throughout the school, their brains are growing and things like that. There's a lot of things going on in their life, it could be school, family, friends, work, but distractions and things like that could definitely get into the way of your motivation and wanting to have something better in life than where you're at the moment. The lack of motivation through local, national, and global lenses. I read a document, an article at the University of North Texas. They had an online poll with the transition to online school, with everything, with the corona and everything right now. And 84% of the 685 responders felt less motivated. So a lot of students at UNT felt a lot less motivated to do their online school than they would, say, in school. I also found that 5 major colleges, 76% of undergraduates claim that they lack motivation. And that 76 is a lot of students. And then 56% of graduates claim the same. So people who have graduated still feel like they've lacked in motivation. The data and implications. Data on students, local, national, and global, with lack of motivation. Texas has 80%. Nationally, I found about 75%. Globally, I found 85%, and a lot of international students who come from their home and then come here to learn school and things like that struggle with staying on topic or staying motivated because they're not at home and they're in a different place and struggles are different. The implications I felt like I needed were students need real-life programs that can start them in the correct path. There needs to be a way for students to match their strengths with what jobs those could be used for. How to help yourselves or others stay on track. Notice when your peers or family seem to lose motivation and help them find a way to stay on track. So when you have friends or family and you notice that they're lacking in motivation, you should probably help them and keep them on track. When you find yourself losing motivation, step away from the goal and take a break and figure out ways to keep the motivation up. So when you're struggling, stop, take a breather, sit back, relax, think about how you can better yourself, what type of learning tools you can use to keep your motivation up, things like that. And then my last slide is my references. And then that is it. Thank you.